Hey everybody, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the State Street Communication Services Sector ETF. This is ticker XLC. Now, XLC is doing something that some of the major indexes aren't doing. It's holding up in this market and above all the key moving averages. You can't say that about SPY, and you can't say that about the Qs. And so XLC is showing a lot of strength right now as it's consolidating in and around the 8-day exponential period moving average. Now, I actually see a bit of a downward sloping trend line here on this chart, and we have clear resistance being shown for us. We can't really get above this downward sloping trend line. Resistance, resistance, all the way back down here, resistance, resistance. And so what I want to see from this chart is we need to see a break above and a close above this downward sloping trend line coming on volume. So I would have an alert on XLC at around 117.60. Look for a move through and a close above 117.60 coming on volume. I'm going to set one just below that level here. And that's what I think you want to look for on XLC. And that'll tell us that the communications sector is a sector that you want to be involved in and one that's showing a lot of relative strength in this market. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'll see you next time.